Why do we pay taxes? Beyond the obvious, which is the law, taxes fuel the very services that stabilize and enrich our society, from infrastructure to education. Yet, for many, the process of filing taxes remains a labyrinth of forms and figures. Today, we delve into the step-by-step process of filing BIR tax returns for individuals in the Philippines, aiming to turn what is often seen as daunting into something manageable. The first step in this journey is to determine your taxpayer classification. Are you an employee earning purely from compensation, a self-employed individual, a professional, or perhaps a mixed income earner? Identifying your classification sets the stage for the entire process, guiding which forms you'll need and what information you must gather. Speaking of forms, obtaining the appropriate tax form is your next step. The Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, has several forms, but let's focus on the common ones for individuals. BIR Form 1700 is for those earning purely compensation income. If you're self-employed or a professional, you'll need BIR Form 1701. And for those juggling both compensation and business income, BIR Form 1701A is the one for you. Now, with the right form in hand, the task is to accomplish it. Fill out the form accurately and completely. This includes personal details, sources of income, deductions, exemptions, and other relevant details. Precision here is crucial to avoid errors that could lead to penalties or delays. Next, compute your taxable income. This involves summing up all your income sources and then subtracting allowable deductions and exemptions. The result is the amount of your income that is subject to tax. Following this, compute the tax due. Apply the tax rates and schedules provided by the BIR to your taxable income. This step determines how much you owe the government. If calculations seem complex, consider using online tax calculators for assistance. If you find that you have tax due, the following step is payment. Settle any tax owed through authorized banks, online payment systems, or accredited collection agents. Always ensure you receive an official receipt or proof of payment, as this is your evidence of compliance. Subsequently, file your tax return. Submit the accomplished tax form along with any required attachments to the BIR Revenue District Office or through authorized electronic filing channels. Be mindful of the deadline to avoid any late filing penalties. After filing, you should receive an acknowledgement receipt or confirmation from the BIR. Keep this document safely, as it serves as proof of your filing and may be necessary for future reference. It's also wise to monitor your status and ensure ongoing compliance with tax laws. Depending on your income sources and taxpayer classification, you may need to file returns quarterly or annually. Lastly, if at any point the process becomes overwhelming, do not hesitate to seek professional assistance. A tax professional or accountant can provide guidance, ensuring accuracy and adherence to regulations. In conclusion, understanding and fulfilling your tax responsibilities is not only a legal obligation, but a contribution to the nation's growth and development. By breaking down the process into clear, manageable steps, you empower yourself to handle this civic duty with confidence and precision. Remember, staying informed and prepared is key to navigating the world of taxes effectively.